Hello everyone. Now in this series of Power BI visuals, now I'll explain about the pie chart. So we have seen pie chart, one of the most common visual representation in the newspaper, news channels, or financial analysis. So various kind of analysis where we have three or four kind of attributes. Then in that scenario we use the pie chart. So let's see how we visualize the Power pie chart. So click on the pie chart to adjust its size. Yeah. Now in the legend, we move the category here. In the value, we can move the cells. Yeah. Now we can see here the three category like technology, furniture, office supply, and value of each category like sales, percent, technology sales and percent, furniture sales and percent here. If we want, we can make some formatting option here. Like where we want position like inside, outside. Most of the people prefer outside only, but we can do it inside as well. Label contents here. Suppose we want all the details label like office supply, furniture, technology, we can do it all those things. We don't want legend here, so we can remove all those things. Now we can create some more visuals here. Like instead of sales by category, we want profit by category or profit by region, so we can do all those things here. So instead of sales, we can move the profit here, like profit by category here. Instead of profit, we if we want like sales by region, we can also do that thing. Just copy and change the attributes. Like this is region by profit. If we want, we can move the sales here, or we can move the quantity here. We can move any numeric data here in the value. We can do the quantity by each region or quantity by category. We can move. So like this, we can create the various kind of pie chart. We can format it as per the choice given, and this is all about the pie chart.